We are providing online Quran classes with expert tutors. Our teachers are highly qualified and well experienced. So learn Quran and Tajweed 24/7 with certified live teacher anytime from anywhere in the world. We have male and female teachers. We have many students all over the world. We teach online through Skype. Our courses: Quran reading, Quran translation, Quran memorization, Tajweed and Qiraat, Basic Islamic knowledge, Arabic and Urdu language, Aalim courses, Fiqha courses, time and days of your choice. Skype ID, hafizaslam. Call plus WhatsApp 923004941899. Helpline 1718 710 4500. Email at hafizaslam@outlook.com.